My turn signals have never canceled from the day I got the car. When I turn the wheel, they don't cancel. So do that again. I don't know if that's normal. If that's normal, great. But let's say, for example, I go up to make a right. Now, the way it seemed to me after watching some guys' other videos and looking at whatever I could, I don't know where I put my tool. Let's see. There it is. Okay. If I go like this, if I put something in here and trip it, it should immediately release. Snap back, right? But even doing that, even going all the way down, it doesn't snap back. It does not cancel. So I'm wondering if anyone knows why that is.